I was just about to record my second video when Steph just pointed out something to me. There's clearly been a repair done prior to my team in this location. I always like to record these because it's the most telling thing. I mean, it's the truth and of the matter is, if I come in with a new shingle in this area, say it's leaking here, I come in with a new shingle, is it or is it not going to damage the shingles around it? And I don't know what we want to call this. Well, I know what I want to call it. Here's an even better example of the aftermath, the potential aftermath of lifting this type of shingle and the problems that can arise. Okay, clearly this shingle was lifted to allow room for the shingles below, and now these shingles are damaged and now they need to be repaired. And the issue we're running into is now that if these need to be repaired, then what's going to be done to the shingles above and what's the appropriate steps from there. So I always like to just point out previous repairs done prior to me being here on the roof, and then kind of go from there. So next video to come.